Okay, these are all the components that came with the device for cleaning. I've been using mine, so as you can see, it's been busy cleaning, and this is to reach those tight places. And this one is for tires, for you to be able to pump your tires, and these are some of the components that come with pumping the tires. Now I'm just going to show you the easy way of being able to use it. You plug it on and then put on the piece, and you can easily vacuum the dirt. See how and if you have the big parts, you can change the piece, the larger part of it, so you can pick up the big parts of the dirt. That's it. We're done. Everything all clean. And to take it out, just push on these two buttons and it's up. Then you remove these and you just dispose of this, and that's it. You put it back, press the two buttons, and you get your device back. Now for the tires, the pump, put this back here, and then I'm gonna use my son's as you can see, there's no air in it, so then you push it back. And you look at the gauge to be able to know the air pressure in the tire. And that's it. You're done. Good.